Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the screen lock in this device. So in this device till now I didn't set any screen lock. You can see just swipe up, it is unlocked. So let me show you how to set the screen lock. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on security and privacy. Again scroll down, tap on device unlock, tap on screen lock. So here you can see three password types: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. And from here you can select any password type. So simply here I am going to select the option pattern. So to create the pattern screen lock, we need to connect at least 4 dots. Tap on continue. Draw the pattern, confirm the pattern. So in case if you want to set the fingerprint lock, then you can enable from here only, otherwise cancel it. Now let me show you how to do this, how to work this one. Lock the device, try to unlock. Now you can see they are asking for the pattern screen lock that we set now. Draw the pattern, it is unlocked. Again draw the pattern, it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.